rolling. Yeah, good. Nice. That's fine.
I read a fun fact about the brain and how it starts to deteriorate when we get to 27 or thereabouts.
Yeah.
It got me thinking about my head and what I can do to help stimulate it. It makes me sad, but
I've forgotten what I'm on about.
look on the bright side of your tightness, and you can sit there unless you're righteous. I wear a happy face like I'm in game. I feel numb now, is that a feeling? Like a plastic box, orange with no peeling. I wanna waste away. I'm getting high on a Saturday night. I'm on the edge of the night. Nobody cares if I'm dead or alive. Oh, what a wonderful life. Oh, Debbie Downer, what's your problem? Don't wanna be here, still call shotgun. You got the FOMO coursing through my veins.
This is...
Nigel, no, this is a real world. Domesticated, still a little feral. Well, don't you know that you with your mouth closed? I'm getting high on a Saturday night. I'm on the edge of the night. Nobody cares if I'm dead or alive. Oh, what a wonderful got a type 2 kind of festiness, a far out of the wilderness. And one day this might earn me less, but everybody knows I'm still down. Don't tell me what the butcher does, there's no need for the obvious. So ugly still it's kind of lush, but everybody knows I made vows. Left feet on the podium, can't think of an element. And hell yeah, I'll be ugly as.
Everybody knows I got